In this lesson, we will discuss the assignment of this module, the independent project. In this course, we have focused on analyzing bivariate data. We have been pursuing the means to find that typical value and compare it to our patient data, including correlating data. To do this, we have learned to use statistics. Up to this point in the course, we have been working with specific statistical tests or descriptives to complete. Now that we have learned several statistical procedures, it's your turn to demonstrate what you know about statistics with a dataset where you can pick a variable of interest to analyze with the appropriate test or display. We will do this with a real-world dataset found in the course shell with this assignment. When you open the Excel file for the project, you will see multiple variables to work with, many that we have seen throughout this course. There are nominal level variables, as well as interval ratio variables. At the bottom of the Excel spreadsheet, you will find the code key and a background description of the dataset. Think carefully about what kind of variables to choose for the given tasks. For example, for the first item, bar graphs are for categorical data, right? So be sure and choose a nominal level variable for that one to analyze. Recall that cross-tabulation is also done with nominal level data. A short descriptive statement should accompany each of the above, including a description of the variables used, and any meaning that may be attached to the results. The goal is to be able to synthesize and apply the materials learned in class. Grading on this project will be by points for every item you complete correctly, and points are also awarded for the readability of the final project. To aid you in completion of the assignment, there is a sample write-up done by the course lead on another data set dealing with blood pressure data. You can use this document as a template for your project. Once you have completed your analysis of your data, you can copy and paste your data into this template, updating the descriptions and findings accordingly. As you finish the course, be sure to take a copy of this template with you, along with your final project, and any other course materials you find interesting, such as the module lecture notes, and test and table guides. Statistical analysis is a key skill to add to your resume, along with proficiency in StatCrunch, the computer software used in this course. Stay curious about data. Don't be afraid to do your own research and analysis. Keep learning more about statistics and learn to use other computer programs as well. Statistics is a topic you will use throughout your work life and your academic career.